Yeah, Miss Vedika, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah.
Let's check whether it is completed or not. Yeah, it is completed. I'm finishing it. I'm selecting. Oops. Okay. I'm selecting next. Again, as we discussed before in my system, it is asking which. I mean, whether it in you want it in landscape, you want it in portrait. It is asking. Either ways, you can select those things and you can finish those things. Okay. Finish.
Yeah.
That's it. AVD is completed. AVD manager is totally completed. Okay.
Okay.
It will take some time, yeah. I mean, for first time it is showing, right? It will take some time. Let's wait. And eventually I'll complete these things, okay? Tools, see, we have seen the SDK manager, AVD manager. Resource manager is nothing but a number of resource files will be there. It shows the drawable. We have the images, right? It shows the all the coding things, layouts, everything will be in some other format. See, right now, for an example, see, right now we are in it is in normal view. If you want to use it in large view, we have to use this, right? As same as that. Okay. So it is showing as a large view. Okay. Strings are there. String is we have created a name Vedika just now, and navigator will be there. That's it. And other than that, Firebase is a database management. It is like a server. We have to get an author for Gmail. Let me show you. Email and password authentication will be there. And if you want to save, if in some applications, it will ask your name. It will ask your date of birth. It will ask your class. It will ask your school name, right? So all the things will be saved in the Firebase database systems. Okay, and it will be saving here. Okay, I'll teach you how to do this. See, since you are in a new plan, you don't want to know those things. Okay,
Yeah.
and yeah, that's it. VLC is nothing but for local history purposes. That's it. Yeah, you don't want to help us, nothing but we can contact the Android Studio. I mean, we can contact the Google if you have any issues with your Android Studio. Usually, it won't happen. Yeah, it is completed, right? In your virtual device, it is completed. If you want to use this, you can use this. Can we try? Can we have a try? Play this. Yeah, select this. Have you selected?
Yeah.
Wait, we'll wait. Launch this AVD. Yeah, it will take some time, but it will work eventually. The next part is to connect your mobile. If you want to if it is working, we don't want to connect either ways, but I'll teach you how to do it. Okay. What kind of mobile you are using? Oppo?
Yeah.
Oppo what model?
A5.
A5. A5, right?
Yeah.
So you have to do the settings. I'll let me show you. Yeah. Go to about phone. Go to settings. Go to about phone.
Yeah. Then.
But you have to connect. I mean, what I mean is you have to connect your USB in. I mean, you have to connect your mobile in your PC.
Yeah. Yeah. Then that mobile came in the PC.
Yeah, mobile came. It is working.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
is it working in Android Studio?
Something has detected. Don't know what.
No, that is fine. That see right now your AVD is working, yeah.
Okay.
So AVD is success. Okay, AVD is working, but see
Yeah.
it is killed. It's because see the system is not. It is too slow. It is getting killed. Your AVD is getting killed. Okay.
Okay.
So if it's because right now we are using Zoom call, we are using any disk, everything we are
Huh.
using. That is the
Yeah.
reason it is
Network
killed.
is
Okay,
slow.
you better
Yeah.
select OK, and you don't want to close the AVD. You don't want to close it.
Yeah.
Keep it as it is. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, what we have to do is go to developer options. See, for getting to developer options, go to settings first. Have you gone?
Yeah. Just a sec.
No problem.
Setting and
Go to about phone. About phone will be here. Let me show you the image. Can you see this image, or do I want to zoom it? Can you see this about phone? Inside your settings, about phone will be the option. Go there.
yeah.
Have you seen? Go
Yeah.
inside of about phone.
Yeah.
Version will be there. We have to go to version. Go
Yeah.
and select version. It is there, right?
Yeah.
Inside the version, build number will be there. Select for you have to keep on tapping for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
Yeah.
So the next thing will be go back to settings, additional settings, developer option will be there inside the additional settings. Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. That's it. So go to developer option. Can you see the
Done.
developer option?
Yeah. It's on.
Good. And see, there will be an option called stay awake. If it is there, that's fine. If it is not there, also that is fine. Go to USB debugging. There will be an option called USB debugging. Let me check whether it is there or not.
Yeah. It's there.
So switch on the USB debugging. It will ask some
Okay.
permission.
Yeah.
Select OK. Select that permission thing.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
shows them
Selected them.
ID. It shows them. It shows some certification ID. Okay. 16 to 17 digits of number. You select that. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Go to your Android Studio. You close this. I mean, you close this thing. Let me close this. Yeah, close this. Close
Yeah.
this. Okay. That's it. It is completed. If you go here and select this, your mobile will be showing. That's it. Totally completed.
Okay.
Let's wait. Oh my goodness. So that is the reason the app is not working. Yeah, we have to close the all the unwanted
Yeah.
things, right? So you close the
Should I?
rainbow. So rainbow is our application, right? Don't close it. I'm sorry. Flower, you close it, and project structure, you close it. Okay. You close this thing. AVD. Yeah, you better close this thing. Close it. Close it.
I click.
What happened?
Don't know, it got stuck.
Okay, it's because the number of applications is there, right? That is the reason it
Yeah.
got stuck. You do something. Just give me a minute. Go to emulator. Go to emulator. Close this thing. Select OK. Select OK. You close this thing. You close the emulator. Emulator is working. You don't worry. Close this thing. We'll wait until the emulator closes. Okay. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Come here. Come and select the emulator again. I think it is closed.
Huh.
No, it is
Oh.
not. Okay. No, minimize this thing. Minimize Android Studio. Okay, yeah, 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 chill, chill. Go and close this thing. See, close option is there, right? Yeah, select that. It is completed. Is it closing?
Yeah, it's loading.
Yeah, our session is closed. I mean, any desk is closed. Mm,
Okay.
no worries, wait. It will take some
Click
time. Yeah.
on-
We'll do something. Let me reconnect. It is loading still. Is it loading?
Yeah.
Okay. Still is it loading?
Yeah.
No, no, just give me a moment. Let me connect and
Yeah, it's done.
it's done, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's totally completed. We have to check whether the mobile is connected or not. If it is connected, we are done for the day. We'll have the classes tomorrow. So
Okay.
what is the plan for tomorrow? Or which time you want to have the classes, Ms. Vedika?
Mm,
Have you decided that?
I got 3 to 4 is fine for me.
See, it's because you didn't have your lunch, right? Even I didn't have my lunch. The point is,
Mm.
see, whatever the situation is, please let me know. So if you want to reschedule it, please let me know by morning so that I can reschedule your classes. But that's totally
Yeah.
fine. It's all according to your convenience. The classes will be given. Okay. I think, yeah. So if you want to have the classes by morning, it is fine. If you want to have the classes by 3 to 4, it is fine. Or more, if you want to change the timing, please let us know within before 24 hours so that I can reschedule it. I can change the timing. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think I'm not able to connect this. I'm not able to connect the PC. It seems through your any desk. Please wait the remote is accepting the data. Okay, almost 2 hours. I mean, 1.5 hours is completed. Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me a minute. Let me. We have to check whether the output is. I mean, the mobile is configured or not. If it is configured,
Yeah.
that okay. Is it loading? Have you closed this project?
Yeah, flower, na, yeah.
Okay, but our new project is rainbow, right?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, go here. Select this.
Where?
Yeah, here. We have a Pixel Excel API 25, right? Go and select this.
Yeah.
Let's check whether the mobile is connected or not. If it is connected, that's it. We are done for the day.
Yeah.
1.5 hours is totally, it makes you exhausted, right? No issues. From tomorrow, 1 hour will be the classes. It's because it's getting delayed. It's because it's really a large installation process, right? So that is the
Yeah.
reason it is, we are extending half an hour. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
It's because
It's not responding.
see. Let me do something. We have to close all those things here. You are not downloaded. It seems. I mean, you have not closed the Flower application. It seems. Still, it is saving. You better close all these things. Better
Yeah.
close all. No. Exactly. Even you can close all windows. Try to open it again. Okay.
Yeah.
Or else we'll do something. So already we are configured your mobile, right? Tomorrow within
Yeah.
5 minutes we can connect the mobile in Android Studio. You go and have your lunch. Tomorrow we'll configure your mobile and we'll see the project. Okay, we'll see the simple project tomorrow, not the complicated project. So we'll start the simple coding from tomorrow. Okay, clear.
Yeah.
You can close this. You close those things
Yeah.
and you go and have your lunch. Okay. I'm sorry, it
Yeah.
is extended for 40 more minutes. Okay. I'm really sorry
Yeah.
about.
Yeah. It's
Okay,
okay.
fine. So can we disconnect
Yeah.
this call?
Yeah.
So you configure. It is already configured. We have to check whether it is configured or not tomorrow. Right now, we are gone through all the project structures. We are completed AVD managers, and the third thing is even the mobile is configured, but we have to check whether it is configured or not. Okay, tomorrow we'll check within 5 minutes and we'll start the programming. Okay, clear? Are you clear, Miss Vedika? Miss Vedika, can you hear me? Bye. Miss Vedika, can you hear me or not? Hello? Hello, Miss Vedika, can you hear me or not? Okay. Miss Vedika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Everything is completed. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see whether your mobile is configured or not. If it is not configured, we'll do it within 10 minutes and we'll start the basic coding classes. Okay. So as of now,
Yeah.
it is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any doubts from the previous classes or today's classes, you ask tomorrow. Okay. And
Sure.
tomorrow we'll be completing the overall configuration and we'll be completing the one coding part. Okay, we'll start
Yeah.
from scratch. As of now it is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll be receiving a feedback. Please give me the feedback. Okay,
Yeah.
if
Sure.
whatever
Yeah.
it is, please give me the feedback. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
I will close